Triller, the popular short-form video app, offers numerous opportunities for users to earn money online in 2024. Here are 16 ways to monetize your Triller content. 1. Triller Funded. This feature allows brands to sponsor your content, and you'll receive a share of the ad revenue. 2. Triller Stars. This program rewards users with Triller coins based on engagement and views. You can then redeem these coins for cash or merchandise. 3. Triller Brand Deals. Collaborate with brands to create sponsored content, and you'll receive a fee for your services. 4. Triller Live. Host live sessions, and viewers can send virtual gifts that you can convert into cash. 5. Triller Merchandise. Create and sell branded merchandise through the app's built-in store. 6. Triller Music. Use Triller's music library to create viral videos, and you'll earn a cut of the royalties. 7. Triller Influencer. Join Triller's influencer program, and you'll receive exclusive access to brand deals and events. 8. Triller Challenges. Create viral challenges, and you'll earn a share of the ad revenue generated by participants. 9. Triller Ads. Create and sell your own ads to other users. 10. Triller Affiliate. Promote Triller's products and services, and you'll earn a commission for each sale. 11. Triller Events. Host events through the app, and you'll earn a fee for your services. 12. Triller Co-Creator. Collaborate with other users to create content, and you'll split the ad revenue. 13. Triller Collabs. Collaborate with other users to create sponsored content, and you'll split the fee. 14. Triller TikTok. Cross-promote your Triller content on TikTok, and you'll earn a share of the ad revenue generated by TikTok users. 15. Triller YouTube. Cross-promote your Triller content on YouTube, and you'll earn a share of the ad revenue generated by YouTube users. 16. Triller Podcast. Create and monetize your own podcast through the app's built-in podcasting feature. These are just a few of the ways you can earn money online with Triller in 2024. By leveraging these features, you can turn your Triller content into a profitable venture.